Tips from billion-dollar worth entrepreneurs. Being a primary entrepreneur can be challenging and nerve-wracking, however, additionally very interesting and rewarding. There is no giving up on the various monetary, criminal, staffing, advertising, and client troubles in order to arise as you launch your business. There are lots of conflicting recommendations obtainable for the aspiring entrepreneur, but here are 15 middle tips that will help you start navigating the startup landscape. Before we start with the video, just make sure that you like and subscribe to our channel. Turn the bell notification on so that you'll never miss any of our crazy updates. Number 1. First-time marketers ought to start a commercial enterprise they're passionate about and informed approximately. Startups may be quite a grind, so pick out something that excites and motivates you. Avoid organizations or industries that you don't already know a good deal about, because the steep learning curve may additionally bog down your fulfillment. Number 2, pick an enterprise idea that has a big marketplace possibility. Make positive to cautiously research if there's a big marketplace for your services or products. Investors will commonly most effectively invest in your business enterprise if they see a massive market possibility and the agency has the ability to develop into something giant. Number 3, raise as large startup investment as you may. It's almost continually more difficult and takes longer to raise a startup financing than you think. You ought to make certain you got a cushion for all the product improvement and advertising and marketing fees you may incur. In an excellent global, you may have sufficient capital for your operations to interrupt even. Don't worry about diluting your personal ownership inside the employer. Developing an exquisite product takes money and time. Number 4, constantly screen your price range. You ought to persevere on the pinnacle of all your costs, earnings, and balance sheet. Many startups have failed because the entrepreneur wasn't able to adjust spending to keep away from jogging out of cash. Maintain a low overhead. Be frugal with fees and avoid pointless prizes. Learn to live on a shoestring budget until significant sales begin to glide in. Number 5, research the competition. Make certain you are very well learning aggressive services and products inside the marketplace and maintain on top of new trends and improvements out of your competitors. One way to do that is to install a Google alert to inform you when any new records approximately your competition indicates up online. Number 6, ask for recommendations from different marketers. Advice from different marketers and business professionals, which include lawyers and accountants, can show to be worthwhile. Consider setting collectively an advisory board, and don't be afraid to inspire participants by giving them inventory options for your enterprise. Read industry newsletters and startup courses like allbusiness.com or entrepreneur.com. Find mentors who can provide you with recommendations on hiring, product improvement, advertising, and fundraising. Number 7, develop a high-quality elevator pitch. You need to have a succinct and compelling tale approximately what your startup does and what trouble it solves. Have this equipped for capacity clients and buyers, despite the fact that you'll want to tailor it to the precise target audience. Keep it to 30 seconds or less. Articulate your venture and dreams and why your services or products are compelling and precise. And if an investor is interested, be prepared to observe up with a government purses about the agency or a 12 to 15 slide PowerPoint deck that dives into more elements about the organization and the marketplace opportunity. Number 8, hire the right humans. Hiring incorrect humans is one of the most important errors made with the aid of first-time entrepreneurs. You want to bring forth employees who have the relevant history and experience. They want to shape into the enterprise lifestyle you are attempting to build. They need to be tough working and bendy, as personnel in startups regularly ought to be characteristic in more than one role. You ought to do it through reference assessments on them. Make sure your offer letter says that they're at-will personnel and may be terminated at any time. Don't forget the vintage code, hire slowly, fire quick. Number 9, never stop networking. Networking can land you a new investor, an outstanding worker, a brand new consumer, or a first-rate mentor. Attend enterprise and startup activities. LinkedIn can be an effective device to help you network, so make certain each of you and your organization have profiles on LinkedIn and that you are continuously including new connections. When someone does a Google seek on you, your LinkedIn profile will generally display up at the pinnacle of the hunt consequences, so be sure you're making a very good first effect. Number 10, give exquisite customer service. Companies, which include Zappos and Virgin America, have become highly a hit because they are centered on imparting brilliant customer service and support. You need your early customers to give referrals and sing your praises to their friends and co-workers. Thank your customers for my part through email. Go the extra mile to show your appreciation. Number 11, hire an experienced startup legal professional. You want a savvy enterprise legal professional for your enterprise, one that has regularly shaped and recommended many different entrepreneurs and who makes a specialty of startups. A skilled startup lawyer can help you incorporate, draw up contracts with any co-founders, prepare key agreements for the commercial enterprise, set up a stock option plan for personnel, prepare defensive to provide letters to prospective employees, help you negotiate phrases with potential buyers, limit your potential prison liabilities, and protect your thoughts and investors through copyrights, patents, and non-disclosure agreements. Get suggestions from different marketers and challenge capitalists. Make positive you have got an amazing rapport with a legal professional. Meet with several capacity legal professionals earlier than you are making a very last choice. Those first meetings must be free. Number 12, get at ease with public speaking. The capacity to talk efficiently can be vital to landing customers, inspiring employees, and pitching to investors to elevate capital. Most humans are not excellent at public talking, maybe even terrified of it. You should pain to triumph over this fear. Consider operating with a public or enterprise, teach to practice, get expert comments, and enhance. Some of the most recognized marketers have been awesome public audio systems along with Steve Jobs. Number 13, focus on constructing splendid products or services. However, don't take forever to release. Your service or product needs to be at least precise, if no longer super, to start off with. It must be differentiated with some significant and crucial manner from your competitors' offerings. All else follows from this principle. Don't dawdle on getting your product out of the marketplace, as early consumer comments are one of the excellent approaches to assist improve it. As Reid Hoffman, mission capitalist and co-founding father of LinkedIn, stated, if you are not embarrassed by the primary model of your product, you've released too late. Number 14, advice for first-time entrepreneurs, just do it. There's by no means a really perfect time to release a startup, so comply with that famous recommendation and simply do it. Take step 1 to constructing your commercial enterprise, although its most effective element time at the same time as you still have a paying activity. Number 15, market, after which market a few more. You constantly have to be attracting, constructing, or even educating your market. Make certain your marketing approach includes the subsequent: build an expert-looking, up-to-date internet site. Learn the basics of SEO in order that humans searching for your services and products may locate you close to the pinnacle of seeking consequences. Use social media to sell your commercial enterprise like LinkedIn, Facebook, Twitter, Pinterest, and so forth. Engage in content advertising by writing guest articles for applicable websites. Issue press releases for any extensive events. Bonus tip, start each day at 0. Edith Harbaugh has led product and engineering groups for nearly too long time, but no longer all of her control understanding got here from coding. The Launch Darkly CEO regularly calls upon a 3,360-mile bicycle experience from Glacier National Park, all through which she learned to reveal her electricity, adapt to exchange, and make decisions at forks on the street. Her maximum transferable lesson for constructing startups and software programs: every experience starts with 0. Every day she set the odometer of her bike to 0 with a plan to attain an everyday goal, say 50 miles. For each biking and software development, size is vital. Gazing at seen progress is motivating. Feeling like you've got 80% of the work ahead makes one daily's contribution to the purpose experience insignificant. Once your course is set, begin every day with a blank slate. Starting each day from 0 will increase crew focus, generate a concrete sense of feet and a head movement, and prevent complacency. Let's hear your thoughts in the comments section below. Follow us for more updates. Thanks for watching.